Is it the right time to buy or sell Mullen Automotive stock? Today, we'll be taking a deep dive into Mullen Automotive. We previously shared an overview on our website, but now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to stay updated by subscribing, hitting the like button, and turning on the notification bell. We'll keep you informed about any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since February 16, 2023, our system has ranked Mullen Automotive as a strong sell candidate, with a score of -6.60. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a significant loss of -99.75%. This means that on average, it has been losing -0.51% per day since it was listed as a strong sell candidate. The stock has broken a wide and downward short-term trend. This could be an early signal of a trend shift. On the downside, there is support at $0.161, which may offer a second chance to make a profit. According to fan theory, $0.272 will be the next possible resistance level, which may not be easily broken. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential -73.05% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -91.70% and -73.52%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected -74.37% change over the next year, with a potential return between -100% and 4,312.25%. This means the price could range from $0 to $7.24 after a year. Today's update on Mullen Automotive brings an important headline: a volatile ride for Mullen Automotive stock price on Tuesday, with movements ranging between $0.159 and $0.178. On Tuesday, November 28, 2023, the Mullen Automotive stock price experienced a decrease of 7.61%, going from $0.178 to $0.164. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 11.36%, reaching a low of $0.159 and a high of $0.178. Over the last 10 days, the stock has fallen in 7 of them, resulting in a decrease of 12.21% during this period. On the last trading day, the volume of shares traded increased by 16 million, despite the falling prices. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. A total of 50 million shares were bought and sold, representing approximately $8.16 million in value. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of Mullen Automotive stock was $107.44, while the lowest price was $0.159. Currently, the price is 99.85% lower than the 52-week high, amounting to $107.27. Moreover, it is 100% lower than the all-time high on November 17, 2021, when the price reached $3,577.50. Analyst ratings. In a recent report on Tuesday, November 1, 2022, Citigroup downgraded MULN and gave it a reduced grade. Analysts have given Mullen Automotive stock a general rating of buy. They have rated the PE ratio as strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of strong sell. Here are the key signals for Mullen Automotive. Currently, there are few to no positive signals in the technical analysis for Mullen Automotive stock. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. If the stock corrects upward, it may face resistance at the price levels of $0.179 and $0.265. However, if it breaks above these levels, buy signals may be generated. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a significant decline of minus 47.70% so far. This suggests a further fall until a new bottom pivot is found. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a sell signal at present. It's worth noting that volume rose on falling prices yesterday, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it is recommended to closely monitor the stock for any developments. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence has shown a sell signal. Pivots have indicated a sell signal 23 days ago. The short-term moving average has also given a sell signal 6 days ago. If we analyze the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average indicated a sell signal 50 days ago. The long-term moving average has shown a sell signal 198 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages displayed a buy signal 186 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to explore more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Mullen Automotive. Today, I want to talk about the support, risk, and stop loss for Mullen Automotive. Let's start with support. Unfortunately, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. This means that if the stock encounters any challenges, it may struggle and perform poorly in the next couple of days. Moving on to risk, this stock is considered to be very high risk. It experiences a lot of volatility, meaning it can have significant price movements during the day. In fact, the Bollinger Band predicts a very large range of potential prices for this stock. So, if you're considering investing in Mullen Automotive, it's important to be aware of this high level of risk. To give you an idea of the stock's recent volatility, in the last day, it moved $0.0181 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 11.36% of its value. And over the past week, it has had an average daily volatility of 7.68%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Mullen Automotive, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is operating at a loss. It's not uncommon for even well-established companies to face periods of financial difficulty, often due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled to be released on January 11, 2024. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for Mullen Automotive. So, let's dive right in. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Mullen Automotive is at $0.175. If you're not yet invested in this stock, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before considering a position. On the other hand, if you already own shares, this could be an interesting level to consider for swing trading. It's important to note that there isn't any significant support from accumulated volume below. This means that under certain conditions, the stock could potentially experience a sharp drop. Therefore, it's crucial to exercise caution and only place bets if you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The consensus rating for Mullen Automotive, as determined by multiple analyst sources, is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. We have identified Mishiri David as the key insider involved in the 5 most recent trades. They bought and sold a total of 18,315,176 shares or options in the company. Our analysis of the 100 most recent insider trades reveals a positive insider power ratio of 49.795. In total, insiders purchased 199,825,595 shares and sold 67,761,615 shares in the last 100 trades. Our evaluation for this stock is negative and we have not set a stop loss. Is Mullen Automotive stock a good investment? Mullen Automotive currently shows several negative signals and is currently experiencing a significant downward trend. Based on this, we anticipate that the stock will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock remains negative. Furthermore, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have downgraded our conclusion from a sell to a strong sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and recent movements, our systems indicate that the current price of Mullen Automotive stock is undervalued. On Wednesday, November 29th, we predict that Mullen Automotive will open with a price increase of $0.0030, starting the day's trading at $0.167. Before we begin, we want to emphasize the importance of understanding the risks involved in trading. It's crucial to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. We're excited to present our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. We're also curious about your target for the stock. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more trading insights. We sincerely hope you find success in your trading endeavors. Have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.